what we mean by the concept of consciousness in philosophy of mind. It's not as in daily speech, when we can say, for instance, that just being conscious means to be awake as opposed to being unconscious, or in coma or asleep, etc. So it's a specific meaning that this concept has in philosophy of mind. And we'll start with some examples. Let's say that you imagine a pink car, or maybe you're dreaming of a pink car at night. Then the question is, what is this pink car? Because there's no pink car in front of you, no physical pink car, there's no pink car in your brain. So what is that pink car? Where is it? What does it consist of, etc.? Or let's say you think about the thought that World War II ended in 1945. Where is that thought located, and how long is it, how big it is, what does it consist of? Because we know that if you hear a sound, there's airwaves, waves that hit your ear and send signals to the brain, or if you see something, there's electromagnetic waves hitting your eye, and it goes into your brain. But hearing a saxophone or seeing a red tomato is something more in addition. And it's easy to think that, well, of course it's brain activity, but we've seen plenty of examples of how we can have brain activity of seeing a tomato or hearing a saxophone, etc., which is non-conscious. And then it's brain activity, and you're having a non-conscious seeing or hearing, etc. But we've seen also that it can be conscious, and then that means there must be something in addition. And what is this in addition? What is the extra thing that is there when we're conscious? The most famous definition of what consciousness is, and often we use the term qualia to talk about conscious experiences. It is to say that conscious experiences are like something for someone. It's a definition from Thomas Nagel in an article from 1974 called What It's Like to Be a Bat. So the idea is then that it's like something for me, for instance, to hear a saxophone, but it's not like something for a chair or a rock to hear the saxophone, or it's like something for me to be me, but it's not like something for the chair to be a chair, or for a rock to be a rock. So this is what we're trying to catch then with the concept of consciousness. This experience that's also sometimes called phenomenological. Or subjective or qualitative, or an experience from a first-person perspective. But what they're all trying to grab at is this experience that it's like something for us to experience these things. And sometimes qualia or consciousness is understood in a more narrow sense, and then qualia is just sense experiences or feelings, but I use it here in a wide sense, which is most common to include all thoughts and everything that can be said to fall under the definition that it's like something for someone. So any first-person perspective experience will then be conscious in the way I use the term then here, and that's the explanation now of what I mean when I use the term consciousness or qualia in these videos.